Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ARcBlock token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ARcBlock is a full stack Web3 development platform designed to simplify building scalable, interoperable and AI integrated decentralized applications (DApps). It provides a unified framework that natively integrates decentralized identity (DID), AI agents, and a modular cross-chain architecture for developers. Its core technology uses reusable software components called brocklets to streamline DApp creation and deployment. The ABT token is the platform native utility assets used for payments, staking for services, and accessing ecosystem products. ARcBlock project institution rating is 4.1. ARcBlock token total supply is 186 million and circulating supply is around 98.55 million ABT token. ABT token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.